Now, the BJP has hit out at the Congress after the Karnataka minister's admission of corruption in the system. The BJP has hit out at the Congress party, saying this is the Congress party's politics of loot and jhoot that has been exposed by its own.
Now there is admission from within itself that the Karnataka Congress government is all about jhoot and loot, making jhoota guarantees and doing only loot of the public, whether it is Valmiki scam, Muda scam, and the person who himself is involved in the liquor scam, the 700 crore liquor scam, is now confessing that there are many issues and matters of corruption with many ministers in this government. He is in a sense confessing that Congress is Bhrashtachar ki dukaan, and that it has made Karnataka an ATM, that its priorities is not fulfillment of the guarantees. Those are only jhoot. Their priority is loot, loot and loot.
My colleague Neha Hebale joins us on the broadcast with the details. Neha, the minister says there's corruption in the system. What corruption was he talking about? The BJP says that this is an admission of the Congress party of the corruption within the government.
Well, yes, Pratibha. In fact, it was just a couple of days ago that we saw the liquor, association over here, the Wine Merchants Association in the state of Karnataka, leveling very serious charges of graft. And now, right after that, you have the excise minister here coming forward and saying that, he's sick and tired of seeing corruption anywhere and that it's time that he brought about a change. And, at a time like this, of course, we're seeing the opposition in the state, the BJP, attacking the government, saying that this is an admission of the government's guilt. They have been demanding his resignation ever since the time that the Wine Merchants Association came out there and, leveled very serious charges of graft. Now, another thing is, of course, that he even goes on to say there that when the system remains the same and you face criticism here and there, that, he's committed himself to improve the state of affairs, which is, of course, a fact here now. And as far as the minister is concerned, we'll really have to wait and see as to what corruption really he's talking about.
Okay, all right. So the Congress minister says that there's corruption in the system. So Neha, he is sparked off a big controversy. This comes amid the BJP's similar charge as well. And of course, corruption has been a big issue during the assembly elections as well. That was the charge that the Congress party had leveled on the BJP. Coming to power now, Congress minister saying that there is corruption in the system. How is this going to play out?
In fact, Pratibha, of course, we must remember that the Congress party, before the assembly elections had brought about a massive campaign there of the 40% Sarkar against the then Bommai government. And now, in fact, it seems like corruption allegations are back to haunt the Congress party itself. You have the minister here, R.B. Timapur, of Karnataka, they're admitting that, he's fed up of seeing corruption everywhere. Essentially, of course, talking about the need for a change. But as far as, of course, the other cabinet ministers are concerned, or the senior leaders of the Congress party are concerned, how they are going to be reacting to this is something that remains to be seen. Because evidently, of course, Pratibha, it seems like corruption is something now that's not sparing the state of Karnataka.
Okay, all right. Neha, thank you for joining us.